So yeah, this is it. So we have the wall view. We have a good TV. We have a good bed. On the floor is so microwave. Look at the toilet. That's good. Anyway, I was planning to do a Peter McKinnon B-roll, but I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go to sleep now. So this is it for now. Bye. Everyone, nice sleep last night in the car. No, also in the room. We're heading to Arley right now. Arley, how do you pronounce it? Yeah. And then we'll be having our tour at around 8:30 a.m. Getting ready and yeah. Off to the beach and the boat.
Did I connect in case na crab?
Yeah, bring that one. Yeah, I ate crab last night. I'm allergic to crabs. I ate crab. Crab cake. Yeah. Feels so liberating. Oh, poor me. I can't eat crab anytime I want.
I only know that we went to watch. I just see it, yes.
What do you have to look right now? Here at Arley, we're gonna do the bullet ride today, and yeah, I'm all juiced up. Juiced up? No, I'm all ready. That's it, ready. Anyway, yeah, gotta stop prepping stuff, and we'll be heading off in a few. So we're heading for the bullet train, not the bullet express, and so by the time when they're giving me this wetsuit, I was sucking in my belly. That way I'd look slim, but yeah, I'm big. Anyway, we're heading to the boat now. Yeah. Hey. Oh, that's the boat.
I want to give you guys some chance to go for a bit of a pedal around, have some fun. If you want to get your tan on, you can. And after that we'll have some lunch, okay? The last part of the day, part 3, will take place north of the boat.
freaking cold today. So yeah, it's freaking cold, but all good. Nice right there. Yep.
Did you guys go to Lamington?
I've been doing this kind of...
Very cold.
How cold? Yeah, it's really cold. We're heading out here. Front. Okay, let's do it. Oh! So we're heading to the north part of the balancing like hell right now. I'm gonna film these guys.
Just through the trees. So if you walk towards this side,
With Sunday, oh, the sand's so fine up here. The guy asked me if I could fly the drone. Yeah. The guy asked me if I could have a drone. He said you can fly quietly, but this is an airspace, so much respect. You'd rather not fly and enjoy a place. So yeah, that's the thing. If you have a drone, you don't have to fly it, especially when you're on holidays. Just enjoy the beach. That's it. I want to pee. The thing is, the first thing I was looking for when I arrived on the island was the toilets. I just want to pee. It's so cold today. It's winter, but I feel the sun right now. It's getting warm, so everything should be okay. Now, where the heck is the toilet? Oh, the signs. What a person. Come to an island. Supposed to lay back and relax. But I'm here looking for the toilet. Seriously. Oh, gotta go. Sounds like Squeaky Beach. Sounds awesome, right? It's like refined sugar. Nah. Fudge. Hey everyone, I'm in with Sunday. Yes I am. I have nothing to say. I'm just gonna pose here and drink water and enjoy the sun. That's it. So what are my observations? My observations are the island is so good because there are less artificial structures in here, so there's less damage on the environment. There's just one toilet there, and there's one makeshift tent wherein they take it off after using it. And yeah, the thing is, they don't also want people to be smoking here, and if you're smoking, you gotta keep your garbage with you. So yeah, it's nice because they keep it clean. They try to get all the garbage out, try to protect the reef, protect everything. So yeah, think about it. If we do this back home in the Philippines, then it will be good. We'll have good islands like these. Because the thing is, the difference between these islands and the Philippine islands is that, of course, the sand is so fine, but there are parts of the Philippines where there are fine sand. The only thing is, there's garbage everywhere. So if we try to protect our beaches and then try not to throw garbages on them, try to make sure people take care of it, and that will be good. I'm here now,
And also, I'm thinking back in the Philippines, the water in the beach is warm. In here it's cold, especially when it's winter. So yeah, the times the water are so cold compared to ours. So I'd say, yeah, if we just take care of our beach back home in the Philippines,